Welcome everyone, it's Louis Crypto back with another vet update. Just quickly, I've got a giveaway at the moment on Twitter, so head over there with the links in the description down below. When we hit 8k, the two winners will get two prizes. So let's look at VeChain right now. We are still currently holding this low where the head and shoulders pattern of course was formed, and essentially over the past few days we're actually reclaiming the neckline itself, the horizontal one, which is this blue box, but unfortunately it looks like we're trying to lose it today. However, I wouldn't worry too much because we still have some levels of support, and while we are while price action is above the 200 EMA, this is considered the bottom of our uptrend. And so what we need to see from this location is reactions, bullish reactions, whether it's on or slightly above the 200 EMA. Of course, the most optimal entry point is if it comes down to it exactly, holds as support, and the uptrend continues. However, if you've been following the channel for long enough, you would know we don't always come down exactly to the 200 EMA. Maybe on this chance we went down, but actually, as you can see, very slightly missed it. So this is just another example where we don't technically need to dump exactly to the 200 EMA, but are there any bullish indications that might appear before it? So in this case, the reclaim of the 55 and the 20, and then confirming it as support over here. So is there any clues like that right now for VeChain? And I'm actually seeing some, because when we lose this low, which we of course did in the end, you need to go ahead and meet these targets, and we call these three over here the first set, and these three over here the second set. So all of these targets are still valid while we are underneath the golden pocket. So we need to see 3 cent, that psychological level, being reclaimed, because it's pretty much around the 0.5 Fibonacci and above the moving averages. So when we reclaim these shorter term moving averages, we know that we're bullish in the short term. Look in the past, when we were above these two, we're bullish. We were trying to climb above it in the past few days, but to be honest guys, it's fine to reject it. Why am I saying that? Because we formed a bearish cross, and that is usually a signal of continuation back down to the 200 EMA, which of course can still happen. But guys, I want to go back to this scenario over here where we got this nice bullish hammer off of the 1272. So we dipped our toe into the first set of targets, meeting the 1272, 2.5 cent, and failing to lose this low. And this is all very close to the 200 EMA, with the 200 EMA being in that first set of targets. And knowing that we don't actually have to test it, we're looking for any bullish signals, indications of movements back up to the upside. And so that could mean we don't have to revisit this low or come to it at all. So we held this support, we did not lose it. This is considered a higher low and not a lower low. So that's why we got this bullish reaction from this point, because we're not losing it. So that's not bearish. So there's only one way it is, it's bullish then. This bullish candle also reclaimed this low over here. So it not only bounced from here, but reclaimed another key level, which, remember, it should be resistance now that it's lost. We reclaimed it and confirmed it as support. So we started to see things that really shouldn't happen if we are truly bearish. However, even if we get a rejection from here and a bearish cross, it's not the end of the world. Yes, usually I would say this is an indication we come down to the 200 EMA. However, guys, if we can now hold above this blue box that I've created from this wick over here down at the price point of 2646, so 2646, or let's just call it 265, and then over here 275, I'm just going to call it, so 2.65 to 2.75. and if we can continue to hold this as support, we will have that opportunity to reclaim the 786, but more importantly, that 3 cent psychological level. That is what we need to do to continue back to our high over here. Not totally the high of the range, but this is where we were once finding support and resistance, where we created that right shoulder. So for me, important to take out 3.5 cent to continue this journey. Of course, 4, then 5, then 6, 7, and all the way up until 9 cents. So I want to know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you think VeChain will take the chance that it has right now, because it's being given the opportunity while we are above this point of support over here? Because remember, we lost it. It should be resistance to continue to the final two targets of the set, as well as meeting the 200 EMA. we can stop that all from happening as we met the first target out of the set, reclaimed the 1 fib level, but we now must continue to hold that 1 fib level and break through the 0.5 Fibonacci for invalidation of this further downside to the next target. So that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment and share, and please, let me know in the comments what path you think this will go on to. Now remember, I've given you both, so whatever comes, you just remember, Lou prepared me for the bullish and the bearish. The bullish comes, I know the bullish path. The bearish comes, I know the bearish path. Just revert back to these updates. If you want to get educated further, learning the charts and reading them exactly as I do, helping you decide what cryptos to look at. Nearly all of our cryptos are underneath the top 100. Maybe 3 are in the top 100. So if you want to find out more about the education, more about the Discord community, then please use the links down below. Remember, there is a giveaway at the moment on Twitter, and if you want to take action on the course, the Discord, the course, the ebook, or the mentorship plan, there are some discounts at the moment. And so here we've got 2 months free in the chat on top of the course that you'll have for the rest of your life. So expect every single Tuesday and Thursday for there to be a group mentorship call where I of course teach you guys live, but as a group. If you want it one-to-one, more private and personal, then there are other options, but people are taking action on these options. For example, we do have a 3 hours option that includes my course and 2 months in the chat for free on top of the 3 hours of mentorship. Here we have a few people taking action on this, 3 people already. And once those slots are gone, the discount is no longer valid and it will return back to the old price. So for now, I want to get as many of you into the community, learning as much as possible while we still got these discounts that are down, as you can see, to 225. So that's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.